Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials: a correctly wound bobbin and the spool secured on its pin. Start the upper thread now, guide it through the top thread guide and into the tension discs. This controls stitch tightness, so listen and feel for smooth movement. Once through the discs, bring the thread up into the take-up lever. That lever must catch the thread to form stitches. Make sure the presser foot is up during threading, because it frees the tension discs and lets the thread seat properly. Once the upper thread is seated, make sure the take-up lever is at its highest point. You want to guide the thread from right to left into the lever so it will move with the needle. Continue down through each thread guide, then through the small needle bar guide. This stabilizes the thread. Thread the needle as your machine requires, commonly front to back, because orientation affects loop formation. Then, lower the needle, hold the upper thread. Turn the hand wheel toward you to hook the bobbin thread. You complete threading by pulling both threads under the presser foot toward the back. Leave about 6/8 cm 2/3 in tails. Lower the presser foot so the fabric feeds correctly, set your stitch length and tension, and sew a short 5 to 10 stitch sample on scrap fabric to confirm balanced stitches. If stitches look uneven, recheck threading and bobbin orientation. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see skipped stitches or loops, rethread the upper path and replace a bent or blunt needle. Needle condition often causes
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.